Hello everyone, this is the reality of math. How can we solve this question in a very easy and simple way?
Solve x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. So solution, we have x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. So now we're going to think of two numbers that when we multiply those two numbers it gives us 12. When we multiply them it gives us 12. And also when we sum them up it gives us minus 7. So what am I going to do? I'm going to just go to my rough sheet and look for two number. So I will divide 12 in such a way that I'm going to find my two number. So I'm going to pick 12. Then 1 times 12 gives me 12. Then 2 times what can give me 12 is 2 times 6. 2 times 6 gives me 12. Then 3 times what will give me 12? 3 times 4 gives me 12. Now if you look at the first one, 1 plus 12 did not give me minus 7. 2 plus 6 did not give me 7. Now 3 plus 4 actually gives me 7. But this time we're looking for a negative 7, and for me to get a negative 7 it means I will just have to sum up minus 3 and minus 4, and minus 3 and minus 4 gives me minus 7. So these are the two numbers. So the two numbers are minus 3 and minus 4. Then the next step I'm just going to do is just open a bracket equals 0. Then put my x plus and x plus. Then the next thing I'm going to put in my two numbers. The first number here is minus 3. The second number here is minus 4. Therefore, I'm going to have x plus times minus gives me minus. Then I'll put the 3 down. The same thing the other side, plus times minus gives me minus. Then I'll put my 4 down equals 0. So the next step is for me to equate each bracket to 0. Then I have here x minus 3 equals 0, or x minus 4 equals 0. Finally, I'm going to just take minus 3 to the other side. Then when minus is going to the other side, it becomes plus. Then I have x equals 3. Remember, when minus 3 goes to the other side, it gives me plus. And also, when minus 4 is going to the other side, it turns to plus. So finally, we have x equals 4. So this is the final answer to this quadratic equation.
And that's the answer. Don't forget to follow us and don't forget to like us on every of our social handles. And you can watch video like this, a full video like this on this tutorial in our YouTube channel. Bye.